The JUIKURY folding sofa bed convertible sleeper chair feels like a quiet answer to a modern problem: how to live comfortably without letting furniture take over the room. It doesn't pretend to be a full-size sofa or a luxury mattress. Instead, it offers flexibility, softness, and a kind of calm usefulness that fits naturally into small homes, studios, dorms, and multi-purpose rooms. The first impression is almost theatrical. Once removed from its compressed packaging, the mattress expands rapidly, springing into shape in seconds. It's oddly satisfying to watch, like the product is waking up. After giving it proper time to fully settle, the structure becomes clear: thick, supportive, high-density foam that feels far more substantial than its folded size suggests. This is not a flimsy floor pad. It holds its form and stays consistent with daily use. The corduroy fabric sets the tone. Soft, slightly textured, and breathable, it gives the sofa bed a warm, relaxed look rather than something temporary or utilitarian. The fabric feels gentle against the skin, durable enough for regular use, and forgiving when life happens. The removable machine-washable cover adds peace of mind, especially in homes with kids, pets, or frequent guests. It's a small detail that quietly adds long-term value. Versatility is where this piece earns its place. It moves easily between 4 forms: a floor sofa, an adjustable chair, a reclined lounge, and a full mattress. Reading, watching TV, casual work, yoga stretches, afternoon naps. This sofa bed adapts without complaint. The included pillow supports the lower back or neck depending on the setup, and while it may not replace a dedicated sleeping pillow for everyone, it fits the design well and adds to the overall comfort. As a bed, the feel is best described as firm but friendly. The foam supports the body evenly, reducing pressure without sinking too deeply. It's noticeably more comfortable than an air mattress and far less annoying. No pumping, no deflating, no waking up on the floor wondering what went wrong overnight. Full-size sheets fit properly, and adding standard bedding instantly turns it into a respectable overnight option. For guests who are comfortable getting down to floor level, it works extremely well. When folded into a low couch position, it naturally belongs against a wall. It sits close to the ground, stable and grounded, which some will find comforting and others will need to adjust to. This piece favors simplicity over height. Those who don't mind a floor-level lifestyle tend to appreciate it most. The low profile also makes it appealing for pets, who seem to claim it quickly as a favorite sunspot or nap zone. No assembly is required, which feels like a small luxury. There are no tools, no instructions that require decoding, no leftover screws. When not in use, the sofa bed folds neatly and stores easily in a corner, under a bed, or in a closet. It doesn't demand permanent space, which is exactly the point. This sofa bed isn't trying to impress with grandeur. It wins by being thoughtful. It supports everyday living, unexpected guests, changing needs, and limited square footage without drama. It's practical, calm, and quietly comfortable. For anyone building a flexible home rather than a showpiece room, this piece makes a lot of sense and then stays out of the way, which may be the highest compliment furniture can earn.